In this video, I'll be discussing about my repairs, how to add a repair in your shop. Under the My Repairs tab, smartshaalaa users can track repairing work like pending, completed, or deliver. Let us begin with adding a repair work to our shop. Click on Add Repair. Fill up the details that are required in the given blanks. It's the customer detail. You can give a deadline to your customer, like Sunday, I choose. Click on Add More to add the product detail. Let us skip Samsung, S10 mobile, category mobile, and screen damage. After filling all those details, you can proceed. When the repair is added successfully, smartshaalaa generates a receipt that is to be given to the customer, and you can see that receipt in repair receipt under invoice tab. The customer are asked to bring this receipt after the repairing is done. My Repair tab shows all the repairing works that are pending, completed, or delivered. We have two pending work that needs to be done, and when the repair work is done, uh, you can see the repairing work here. And after the work is done, you can click on Done, and it will move to Completed. The customer, that is him, will be informed when the repair is done and it's checked out. When checking the product out, the user also has an option to state any additional charges for that product. If that product had any battery damages, you can add, yeah, and check out. When checked out, smartshaalaa generates an invoice which can be found under here, or which can be found on repair invoices of the invoices tab. So this repairing work is completed and the customer had already paid its total amount. So that's all for the repair work. You can add some repair work here that will show in this pending list, and after the work is done, it will be forwarded to completed section. After completed, the customer is informed, and you can see the repairing work is done and status is delivered. So that's all for the repairing video. I'll see you on next video. Thank you.